Drone racing, a unique fusion of technology and sport, is gaining momentum as an exhilarating career path. Enthusiasts like Carlos Madron, a former software engineer, turned his hobby into a successful profession by winning international drone racing competitions, thus spotlighting the potential of this field. This profession isn't without challenges, as pilots often face technological failures and the pressure of fierce competition. However, the rewards, such as lucrative sponsorships and global recognition, are enticing for those passionate about both speed and innovation. Expert voices in the industry encourage aspiring individuals to hone their skills through practice, emphasizing how perseverance and technological expertise can carve a path in this adrenaline-charged sport.